The Indus River, a lifeline of Pakistan, flows majestically through the country. On its eastern bank, nestled in the Sindh province, lies the ancient city of Kotri. This bustling city, steeped in history and culture, offers a fascinating glimpse into Pakistan's rich heritage. Kotri's story is intricately woven with the Indus River. For centuries, the river has shaped its landscape, nurtured its people, and influenced its culture. The city stands as a testament to the enduring relationship between humanity and nature. From the fertile floodplains to the bustling riverbanks, Kotri is a tapestry of vibrant life. The air hums with activity, a symphony of traders, fishermen, and artisans, all drawn to the lifeblood of the Indus. Join me as we journey into the heart of Kotri, exploring its natural wonders, cultural treasures, and the delicate balance between man and nature that defines this remarkable city. The Indus River is the lifeblood of Kotri, its presence felt in every aspect of the city's existence. The river's annual floods, while sometimes destructive, have deposited rich alluvial soil, making the land around Kotri incredibly fertile. This fertile land supports a diverse range of flora, from tall date palms swaying in the breeze to fields of vibrant mustard flowers. The river also dictates the rhythm of life for the local fauna. Numerous bird species, including kingfishers, herons, and egrets, find refuge and sustenance along the riverbanks. The Indus River dolphin, a rare and endangered species, calls these waters home, a testament to the river's ecological importance. The Indus River is not merely a geographical feature, it is the very essence of Kotri, shaping its landscape, nurturing its biodiversity, and sustaining its people. Kotri has long been a hub of economic activity. The Indus River, with its abundant resources, plays a pivotal role in the city's two main industries, textiles and fishing. Kotri is renowned for its traditional ajrak fabric, a block-printed textile known for its intricate geometric patterns and vibrant colors. The Indus River provides the water essential for washing and dyeing the fabric, giving ajrak its distinctive hues. The river also sustains Kotri's thriving fishing industry. Fishermen cast their nets into the Indus, hauling in a variety of fish that form a staple part of the local diet. The daily catch is a vibrant spectacle, with fishermen sorting through their bounty as herons and egrets eagerly await their share. These industries, passed down through generations, are more than just sources of income. They are integral to Kotri's cultural identity, showcasing the city's enduring relationship with the Indus River. Section 4. Life on the Indus. The Indus River teems with life, supporting a unique and diverse ecosystem. The most iconic inhabitant is undoubtedly the Indus River dolphin, a blind species that relies on echolocation to navigate the murky waters. These shy and elusive creatures, once abundant, are now critically endangered, their numbers dwindling due to habitat loss and pollution. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these remarkable dolphins and ensure their survival for future generations. The riverbanks and surrounding areas are also home to an array of birdlife. Kingfishers, with their iridescent plumage, dart after fish, while graceful herons stand patiently on the water's edge. Egrets, their white feathers gleaming in the sunlight, stalk through the shallows, searching for insects and small fish. The sight of these creatures thriving in their natural habitat is a reminder of the rich biodiversity that relies on the health of the Indus River. Section 5. Echoes of the past. Kotri's historical significance is deeply intertwined with its geographical location on the banks of the Indus River, one of the longest rivers in the world. This river has been the lifeblood of civilizations for millennia, providing water, transportation, and fertile land for agriculture. The city's strategic position on this vital waterway has attracted rulers and empires throughout history. From ancient dynasties to colonial powers, many have sought to control this crucial region. Ancient ruins and archaeological sites dot the landscape around Kotri, whispering tales of bygone eras. These sites offer a glimpse into the lives of those who once thrived here, their stories etched into the stones and earth. The remains of ancient settlements and forts stand as silent witnesses to the city's long and storied past. Each ruin has its own story, a chapter in the grand narrative of Kotri's history. One such site is the ancient necropolis of Makli Hill, located a short distance from Kotri. This site is one of the largest funerary sites in the world, spanning over 10 square kilometers. This sprawling burial ground, with its intricate tombs and mausoleums, is a testament to the rich cultural heritage of the region. The craftsmanship displayed in these structures is a marvel to behold. Many of these monuments feature intricate carvings and designs inspired by the natural world, including depictions of the Indus River and its flora and fauna. These artistic expressions highlight the deep connection between the people and their environment. These historical remnants serve as a tangible link to Kotri's past, reminding us of the city's enduring connection to its natural surroundings. They stand as a bridge between the past and the present, a testament to the resilience and continuity of human civilization. Section 6, Kotri, a place of legends. Perched atop a hill overlooking Kotri lies Kotri, an ancient archaeological complex shrouded in mystery and legend. This site has been a focal point for historians and archaeologists alike, drawing them in with its enigmatic allure and the promise of untold stories buried beneath its soil. This site, believed to date back to the Scythian period, holds immense historical and cultural significance. The layers of history here are like pages in a book, each artifact and ruin telling a part of a larger narrative that spans centuries. The name Kotri translates to the warrior's grave, and legend has it that the site was once a burial ground for Scythian warriors. These warriors, known for their fierce combat skills, are said to have been laid to rest here, their spirits guarding the land. Excavations have unearthed numerous artifacts, including pottery shards, coins and weapons, providing glimpses into the lives of these ancient people. Each discovery adds a piece to the puzzle, helping us understand the daily lives, trade practices, and even the conflicts of those who once inhabited this region. One of the most intriguing features of Kotri is a series of interconnected caves carved into the hillside. These caves, with their intricate carvings and hidden chambers, offer a tantalizing glimpse into the past. The purpose of these caves remains a subject of debate, with some speculating that they served as a refuge or a place of worship. Others believe they might have been used for storage or as living quarters, adding to the site's mystique. Kotri, with its enigmatic past and breathtaking views of the Indus River, offers a captivating glimpse into the rich tapestry of history that unfolds around Kotri. The site stands as a testament to the enduring legacy of the people who once called this place home, inviting us to explore and uncover the secrets of a bygone era. Section 7, a tapestry of nature and history. Kotri is a city where the rhythms of nature and the echoes of history intertwine. Nestled along the banks of the mighty Indus River, this city is a living testament to the harmonious coexistence of natural splendor and historical richness. The Indus River, the lifeblood of this ancient city, has shaped its destiny, nurturing its people, inspiring its culture, and leaving an indelible mark on its landscape. Its waters have witnessed the rise and fall of civilizations and continue to be a source of sustenance and inspiration. From the vibrant hues of Ajrak fabric, which tells stories of craftsmanship passed down through generations, to the graceful movements of the Indus River dolphin, a symbol of the river's enduring vitality, Kotri offers a captivating blend of natural beauty and cultural heritage. Its landscapes are a canvas painted with the colors of history and the brushstrokes of nature. The city's ancient ruins and legendary sites like Kotri whisper tales of bygone eras, inviting us to explore the depths of its historical narrative, while its bustling markets and vibrant street life pulsate with the energy of the present. Here, the past and present coexist in a dynamic dance, each enriching the other. As we bid farewell to Kotri, we carry with us a profound appreciation for the delicate balance between humanity and nature that defines this remarkable city. The sunsets over Kotri are a daily reminder of this balance, casting a golden glow over the city and its people. The story of Kotri is a testament to the enduring power of nature to shape our lives, inspire our cultures, and connect us to our past. It is a place where every element, from the flowing river to the bustling markets, tells a story of resilience, beauty, and timeless connection.